Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is the hair guru Carla and I'm back with another video. So this is my niece and she's getting her hair done for her birthday. This is her birthday hairdo and for church Sunday. So Sunday in church she will be a greeter at the door. So you know I have to have her looking right. And also y'all can check out her channel on YouTube. It's Janiyah Wheeler. I have the name somewhere up there but it's Janiyah Wheeler. Y'all can check it out. She has a lot of inspirational videos for y'all to check out. So she want a natural bob, a natural body wave bob, but I am gonna go in with my flat irons and I'm gonna give it a little tighter curl. So by the time the day of church, it's gonna fall into the natural look that she wants. So we chose the body wave version here because it's gonna hold the curls longer. It's gonna be low maintenance so she don't have to curl this hair for a couple of days. Like I said, by the time it's church, it's gonna fall into the beautiful natural wave pattern that she wants. So that is the hair of our choice because it holds a curl longer than if it was straight hair or pack hair. It's gonna have that natural loose wave pattern. So I'm using 2 bundles of the 10-inch, like I said, body wave virgin here. Also, y'all stay tuned in because I have a surprise gift for her at the end of the video. She has no clue that I'm giving her an extra gift. She's thinking her hairstyle is the only gift from me. She's not expecting anything else. But she is a very wonderful, God-fearing, ambitious, beautiful young lady. So I wanted to give her an extra gift. So y'all stay tuned in at the end of the video to see what her gift is. Okay, while I was talking, the video showed my little edge control. That's my new item that I have on the website. So y'all can check that out. Y'all can look. She's natural. She has no relaxer and her hair is kinky. So y'all can see how smooth this edge control is laying her natural hair. It's for natural hair and relaxed hair. It's on the website and the sale is on today. So y'all do not miss out my half off Christmas sale. So y'all take advantage of that. Everything is half off except the wig. So the sale will be ending tomorrow morning at 12 a.m. So y'all do not miss out. It's only for one day. So y'all hurry up and get your items. Also, stay tuned in for the final look of the hairstyle and to find out what Janiyah's surprise gift is. So y'all stay tuned in until the ending of the video. Y'all don't talk about my niece's kitchen back there. I'm not going to give her a tape up because her hair literally looks like it grows back the next day. She is very hairy and her hair grows very fast. So we always opt out for the tape up. So I'm just going to proceed with the hairstyle and leave her kitchen alone. Just in case y'all might want to know why I didn't do it. Well, this is the final look of the hairstyle. Like I said, by the time it's church, it's gonna fall into a beautiful curl pattern because the hair was already body wave, but I had to put my extra touch on it. So this is the hairstyle, but let's talk about the surprise gift. So I thought I was recording from the beginning when I presented her the gift, but I wasn't. So as y'all gonna see, she already took the gift wrap off the gift, and y'all missed her reaction, her first reaction. But here we go. She already took the wrapper off. She already know what's in the box. Well, she already know by the box she got. So this is a little bit of her reaction. Y'all missed the beginning. Oh my God, no, like I thought it was. So I know y'all wondering why shoes, but she loves heels. She always have on a pair of 6-inch heels or higher. My feet hurt just looking at her walking in heels, but she love heels. The only time she don't wear heels is when she go to the gym. So she loves shoes. She love high heels. The higher, the better. So I felt like that was the perfect gift for her to go with her hairstyle for church. So y'all let me know what y'all think about the video. Y'all can leave y'all comment in the comment section. If y'all like my video, y'all can give me a thumbs up. And also don't forget to check out her channel, Janiyah Wheeler. That's on YouTube. And also y'all can leave a birthday shout out in the comment section. And thank y'all for watching my video. Until my next video, y'all stay safe and stay blessed.